In the contemporary world, the pursuit of financial success is often intertwined with perceptions of intelligence. Society tends to equate wealth and prosperity with intellectual acumen, leading many to believe that the path to financial well-being is solely paved with high IQs and exceptional cognitive abilities. However, a deeper examination of this notion reveals that intelligence alone is not the exclusive determinant of one's financial status. Achieving financial success is a multifaceted journey that transcends the boundaries of mere intellect. Instead, it hinges on the development of sound money management habits, a profound understanding of the psychology of money, and the consistent application of key financial principles. In this video, we embark on a transformative exploration, drawing upon the invaluable insights offered by Morgan Housel in his book, The Psychology of Money. Within its pages lie a treasure trove of wisdom, encompassing essential lessons that can empower individuals to navigate the complex world of finance effectively, irrespective of their intelligence quotient. Applying these lessons will lead to you becoming a business champion. Lesson 1. Diverse perspectives on money. At the heart of Housel's book lies a foundational lesson that encourages us to recognize the diversity of perspectives surrounding money. Each individual's view of money is intricately shaped by their unique life experiences, upbringing, and cultural background. In a world where financial discussions can often turn divisive, it becomes imperative to acknowledge that not everyone shares the same outlook on financial matters. This lesson urges us not to hastily judge or label others as irrational simply because they approach money differently. Instead, it underscores the importance of empathy and understanding when engaging in financial discussions or transactions. By embracing diverse perspectives, we create an environment conducive to healthier relationships and collaborative financial decision-making. Lesson 2, the role of luck and risk. The video underscores a profound truth that often goes overlooked in the pursuit of financial success: the significant roles that luck and risk play in shaping financial outcomes. While intelligence and diligent work are undoubtedly important, success in the financial realm is frequently contingent on fortuitous circumstances beyond an individual's control. Understanding this reality compels us to approach our financial decisions with humility and a more realistic perspective. It calls for a departure from the misconception that all financial outcomes are a direct reflection of one's personal prowess. This shift in mindset can be liberating, as it reduces the burden of perfectionism and acknowledges the unpredictable nature of financial markets. Lesson 3, the concept of enough. In a world often characterized by rampant materialism and relentless consumerism, the video serves as a poignant reminder of the concept of enough. Contrary to the prevailing narrative that more is always better, enough is depicted as a state of mind rather than a specific monetary threshold. The pursuit of happiness and contentment is not solely contingent upon accumulating vast wealth. Instead, it hinges on recognizing when one has reached a point of sufficiency. Constantly comparing ourselves to others in terms of wealth can breed dissatisfaction and an unending cycle of striving for more. This lesson encourages us to discover contentment in simple pleasures, emphasizing that lasting financial well-being is not solely tied to amassing wealth. Lesson 4, the power of consistency. Small, consistent actions have the remarkable potential to yield substantial results over time. This principle, often referred to as the power of compounding, underscores the importance of patience and persistence in our financial endeavors. Whether it pertains to saving, investing, or diligently paying off debts, the video's message is clear. Unwavering commitment to our financial goals is key. It emphasizes that the accumulation of wealth is a gradual process, and the incremental efforts we put in today can lead to significant financial rewards in the future. Lesson 5, accumulation versus preservation of wealth. The video artfully distinguishes between the distinct skills required to accumulate wealth and those necessary for its preservation. The journey to acquiring wealth often demands boldness, risk-taking, and an entrepreneurial spirit as individuals explore various avenues to increase their assets. However, once wealth has been amassed, the focus shifts towards safeguarding it. This necessitates prudence, risk management, and a meticulous approach to protecting one's assets. Recognizing the difference between these two phases in one's financial journey enables individuals to tailor their strategies to their specific goals and circumstances, thereby enhancing their chances of sustainable financial success. Lesson 6: Problem-solving skills. In the pursuit of wealth, problem-solving skills emerge as invaluable assets. The video encourages us to view obstacles and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Challenges are an inevitable part of the financial journey, but they should not be perceived as insurmountable barriers. By embracing these challenges and actively seeking innovative solutions, individuals can overcome financial hurdles and progress toward their goals. Furthermore, the video underscores the importance of seeking diverse perspectives and learning from the experiences of others, as this can provide valuable insights and strategies for addressing financial challenges. Lesson 7: Building and maintaining trust. Fundamental to the achievement of financial success is the cultivation and preservation of a strong financial reputation. Honoring one's commitments, being trustworthy in financial dealings, and demonstrating integrity are crucial components of this reputation. By adhering to these principles, individuals can not only open doors to new opportunities, but also build and nurture valuable relationships. The video encourages viewers to surround themselves with ethical professionals and advisors who share a commitment to integrity and trustworthiness, further strengthening their financial standing. Lesson 8: Short-term gratification versus long-term goals. A recurring theme throughout the video underscores the need to carefully weigh short-term gratification against long-term financial goals. Making impulsive decisions driven by immediate desires can have detrimental consequences in the long run. It is essential to understand the price of one's choices and consider how they align with broader financial objectives. Developing the discipline to delay gratification can lead to greater financial stability and ultimately pave the way for enduring success. Lesson 9: Expecting surprises. In the dynamic world of money and investing, surprises are not the exception but the rule. The video offers sage advice. Expect and embrace uncertainty and surprises as intrinsic elements of financial life. Adaptability and resilience emerge as critical qualities that can help individuals navigate unexpected financial challenges and seize unforeseen opportunities. By developing the ability to pivot and adjust their financial strategies when faced with the unexpected, individuals can maintain their financial well-being in an ever-changing landscape. This video delivers a resounding message that transcends the confines of intelligence. It emphasizes the significance of adopting positive money management habits, gaining a deep understanding of the psychology of money, and nurturing self-awareness. Financial success is not solely dependent on one's intelligence quotient, but is profoundly influenced by one's ability to navigate the intricate realm of money with wisdom and prudence. By internalizing these key lessons from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, individuals can embark on a transformative journey towards lasting financial well-being. Mastery of the psychology of money is an indispensable step on the path to achieving financial success and securing a prosperous future, one that transcends the boundaries of mere intelligence and empowers individuals to take charge of their financial destinies. If you found this video helpful, please follow for more insights about becoming a business champion.